Hey everyone, it's Rylee, and it is almost time to start another year and another year of planning. So I've already gone ahead and set up multiple bullet journals, planners here on this channel. And today I just want to talk about all of the different journals and planners that I use throughout the year and how I use them. So I hope you enjoy content like this. If you do, please consider subscribing or comment down below if you'd like to see other videos around this kind of thing. And most of the journals or planners are actually my own products that I've designed, that I have poured my heart and soul into. So you can find those linked down below in the description box if you are interested in these planners. All right, so the first journal that I want to show you for 2024 is the one that I plan on using most often, and that is my digital bullet journal. This is a massive digital bullet journal bundle that is actually on a huge sale right now. Since it's just about to be the new year, if you are looking for something like this, head to the description box and you can find my link there. But this is my digital bullet journal. So this is where I do my yearly planning here in the yearly spreads. This is also where I do my monthly, my weekly, my daily planning. I'm going to link a video right up here because I did one recently talking about how I digital bullet journal, because I know it's not entirely intuitive to people who are used to working with just a physical bullet journal or just a digital planner, how those two things might come together. And so I do have a whole video kind of walking through just how I make this work for someone who is definitely more of a pen and paper person. I think I found a system that really works for me. So this is my go-to, constantly sitting on my desk. It's the one that I refer back to the most. I'm going to just give you a little sneak peek. It is still November at the moment, so I don't have much to show you in the actual 2024 planner because we haven't started 2024, but I will give you a look at my November planner. So for example, I do use the calendar spread on here a lot for all of my upcoming events and stuff. And then I also use the weekly spreads very regularly. This is where I've been planning out just kind of my 3 biggest tasks of the day, my biggest weekly tasks, and then I take those and I transfer them onto a daily spread, kind of like this. This is just a blank notepad that you can get for free with this digital bullet journal bundle. And I just set this up the way that I would do it in my physical bullet journal, so that I can see my top task of the day, what I'm making for supper, and then my morning, afternoon, and evening tasks. So this is the page that I come back to the most every single day. The next journal that I use every single day is my one line a day journal, and this one I come to at the end of every day, or sometimes the next morning if I forget. But this is such a fun journal. This is a 5-year memory book, and I believe I'm on year 3 in this one. So basically what you do is at the end of every day, you just come and find that date and write a couple sentences about what happened. And then once you fill it up, you've got 5 whole years to look back on. So I'll just show you an example. So here's just a random page. And as you can see, I filled it in for 2021. You just write the year up here, 2022. And when it comes to December 17th, I'll fill it in for 2023. So basically each day as I go through this year, I'll look back and read what I was doing the previous year and the previous year. And it's just so interesting to see how life changes. I find, especially now that I have my son, looking back and seeing the things that he was doing a year ago is just so precious. So I highly recommend this kind of idea. For me, it's like, I love that every date is on the same page with that date for all 5 years. And you can't really achieve that just in your own bullet journal doing like a monthly one line a day. So that's why I do this separate. I just absolutely love this practice. I love looking back, and it's just a great way to keep a lot of memories in a very small journal. Now this next journal is one that I will be completely honest, I'm not totally sure how I'm going to be using this next year. This is currently my everyday journal, but it's only about half full, so I am planning on continuing it for 2024. However, my everyday journaling is going to be moving completely onto my iPad, so I'm thinking this will mostly be used for like projects, planning out if I get custom journal orders, sketching out theme ideas, filming like theme ideas videos. I'll probably just do those in here. So this is just going to kind of turn from like a planner bullet journal into just a random home for whatever, I don't know, whatever it may be that needs a home, because I definitely still want to use it and fill it up since I have about half left. This is one of the vanilla colored journals available in my shop. They do come in vanilla, clay, and they also come in like a planner version where all of the doodles are done for you, and those come in vanilla and moss. If you're interested in checking those out, they'll be linked down below. All right, so this is a journal that was gifted to me by the Bullet Journal Company, and I've been using it for a few years now, not filling it up nearly as much as I would like, but this is essentially like my diary, I guess. I've been using this as kind of a memory keeping journal, and I probably went like a whole 6 months without using it, and now I've been using it very faithfully once a week. I don't try to do any more than that. I'm sure I could, but it just, I don't know. I like to have a journal like this just to get things out on paper, and because it does give more space to, you know, make it a little more artistic, a little more cute, as opposed to the 1 line a day memory keeping. You don't really get any of that. It's just, you know, get to the point, write a couple sentences. This, I like that I can kind of spice up my spreads. And this is also where I use most of my fun stationery, like my stickers and washi tape and stuff, because I have been given so much fun stationery because of this channel, and I just don't use it enough in my own journal because I love doing most of my own doodles. And so this is the journal that gets to see a lot of that stationery. So this is what I try to record some memories in about once a week. So those are the journals that I will be using for 2024, primarily the digital bullet journal for my planning, but the others all have their own place in my life as well. Thank you all so much for joining me for another video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.